Hi everyone. So you can see this is a Chevrolet Cruze which met with an accident. And the thing is, this car has come all the way from Baroda, Gujarat to Auto Rounders in Mumbai for getting the work done. So we will be doing a lot of stuff in this car. First we will repair this, do all the mechanical work in this car, and then we will work on interior exterior of the car. So we always ensure that the car which comes to Auto Rounders are mechanically fit, and then only we recommend any customization or modification jobs. Stay tuned guys. We'll let you know once this project is complete. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. So now you can see this Cruze is completely ready and it's going to Baroda after the complete modification which has been done by Auto Rounders in Mumbai. So you can see the front part which was damaged in the earlier video has now been rectified. Apart from that, there were a lot of mechanical work also in this car which has been done by Auto Rounders, and now the car is perfect. Let me show you the different things that we have done in this car, because there are things like headlight, tail light, interior, a lot of customization we have done. So I'll show you the things in detail. So you can see the headlight. So it's an aftermarket projector headlight with DRL. It also has indicator lights. So as I had mentioned, the full car has been painted in paint booth machine. You can check the finishing as it's painted in the paint booth with the best quality products. And even the tail light, you can see these are aftermarket tail light. They look very beautiful with sequential indicator lights. So apart from this, even the interior of this car has been customized. Let me show you that. So you can see the interior is now in black and premium brown with piano black wooden finish. Even the dashboard, you can see, has been finished in leather. So this is a composite leather, it's not genuine leather, but it's a very premium quality material that we have used. So the covers and everything is custom made as per the choice of customer. We don't keep anything ready made. We make as per the design and theme customer selects. The steering wheel, again you can see, is in genuine leather with piano black wooden finish. Even this part has been painted in silver. We have retained this finishing, the silver one, in original. The rest all has been customized. So in case if you are looking at any such premium job to be done, you can call Auto Rounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai guys. Thank you for watching this video.